Hey, what's up, guys? Adil here, the Enthusiast Trader. In this video, I'll be discussing the trades that I took on October 7th and also some trade ideas for October 8th. So let's get right into it. Looking at the spiders, yeah, put a nice green candle, but it came off of, it's still in between the support and resistance at 342 and 338. So if it could consolidate sideways before it can move higher, and hold the 50-day period moving average, that would be a good sign. Looking at the Qs are also above the 50-day period moving average, and also they're looking to put go sideways for a little bit before they can move higher, in my opinion. But if we break below the 50-day period moving average, then we could have a move lower. All right, let's dive into the trades that I took today as day trades. I took LL. I got L at 24.45 with a stop at 24, but then I got out at 24.72 as this moved a little higher. Uh, my target obviously was much higher, but I got out pretty soon. Next up, I took AMD. AMD I took here when it was on the 5 minute at 87.21, right around here when the market was trying to push higher with a stop at 86.97. But then, it just didn't work. The trade didn't work, so it stopped me out. Next trade I took was Ecom. The reason I took Ecom was I like the daily of Ecom, and this was breaking right here at 1594. So I got in at 1605. Also alerted in the room. A lot of people I think took this trade right here. I really should have gotten at 1595, but I got in at 1605 and closed this trade at 1645. I'm looking to get back into this trade tomorrow as well. The reason I sold this was because this had the declining 50-day period moving average, and also they had some resistance to the left. So if tomorrow this can open higher, then I'm interested in buying this back again. We see that it's rated ROC20 is above zero now, and also it has picked up a little volume, average volume of 295. It's almost double, not really double, but you get it. It's more than average volume. So this is my top watch for tomorrow. Um, next one, next up, I took was Foot Locker. Foot Locker, it was trending really good, really nicely higher. I took this at 38.11, somewhere right around here. It went nicely in my favor at 38.79, but then it sold off as the market was heading higher. So this one I got out. So this one looks weak now. It put in a red day when the market's put in green. So not looking too warm and fuzzy. Uh, the, the trade that I like for tomorrow is JMIA. JMIA, put more than average volume at 4.9 million shares, hitting this resistance at 867. If this can break 867, I'll get half in, and if it breaks this 928, I'll go full in. So we have some resistance here at 928. So, but I will be getting into this at 867 or 868 if it could break with some momentum. Uh, Next up, I have Ecom. I already talked about Ecom. This is Yeti, YETI, more than higher than average volume, hitting resistance. This is not my favorite idea, uh, but this is just a backup watch. Next up is Teva TEV. I'm already in this as a swing. I got in this position. I got in this at 9:52 in the morning, and it is right at where I got in. So basically, I'm looking for this cup and handle, as you can see, uh, cup and handle, and usually when they break, they start to go higher. So that's what I'm looking for in Teva. Um, Cancel. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Looking for this to at least go to 994, if not move. If not move a lot higher. I'm also watching NIO. NIO is one of my favorite picks for tomorrow. Above this 2197, I have an order in for 22. If this breaks 22, I am in NIO. Next up is Akaba AKBA. Um, really liking this stock. Also, if it could get some volume going and break this high of 308, I will be buying this at around 312, 315 area for this to basically, reverse and start to fill the gap. This could be a big winner because, it has all this gap to fill. And if this can break this area, then it can start to move higher. So Agba is one of my top watches tomorrow. NIO is my top watch. JMIL is my top watch. Um, the other two ideas that I have is AQB. AQB is, high, lower than average volume, which is not too good. But if this can break 453 area right here, 454, I'm interested, but I'm cautious on this one. Uh, and then I have, last but not least, I have Sage, SAGE. This looks like a continuation move, putting in higher than average volume, and this has room to go to 70 bucks. So again, in the morning, this kind of sold off as the market was heading higher. If you can, when I put the two charts together, the 5 minute interval, market was heading higher as Sage decided to go lower. So it wasn't really a great sign, but it ended up positive, 2.2% positive, while the market's at 1.10%. So Sage is still on top, uh, a watch for me. Okay, so again, to recap, JMIA, my top watch, NIO, my top watch, Ecom, my top watch, and Aqaba, Aqaba, my top watch. So these are the four top watches for tomorrow. All right, guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to come trade with us, uh, let me know and shoot me a comment, and I'll send you a link to our Discord channel. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.